Hi rollerbladers, and welcome to another episode. Today we're going to talk about beginner rollerblading practice, go over some drills and exercises that will help with skill development and progression. So I like to start in the grass with real quick little stretches. Stretching helps you feel loose and relaxed and can help prevent muscle strains and other injuries. So I'll just kind of stretch both legs, and then it's wet over here. We're ready to roll. Let's go. First exercise, weight transfer. You're gonna stand feet shoulder width apart, slight shape of an A, but not very much. And then just practice transferring your weight side to side. So I'm just transferring my weight left foot to right foot. Now I'm gonna add some speed and do the same thing. You'll notice that I'm moving. The way you transfer your weight and pressure your foot can work as a steering wheel. So with those same mechanics, you can drill monster turns, which is probably the easiest beginner turn. So wide stance, transfer your weight. It's also a good way to stop. Next is lemon drop, shape of a V to shape of an A. Bend your knees, open and close. This one's good for edge control and understanding how your feet are your steering wheel. I really like lemon drops because it's really easy. You can also do the same thing, rocking horse, forward and backward, shape of an A to shape of a V. Lemon drops is also really great to learn because it's the same skill set for learning your plow stop, which is the easiest stop for beginners, my favorite way to teach stopping. So open and stop, plow stop. Now we're gonna move on to some exercises that are good for strength and balance, starting with marching. So I like to put my hands up in front, and then you're gonna skate and you're gonna bring your knees up to your hands, tall knees. This one's nice because it's kind of like a stretch. It helps with balance, and it also teaches you to pick up both of your feet when you're skating. Often I see beginners learning to skate who don't have the strength to pick up both their feet, so they're doing something like this with one foot, or sometimes they're even not picking their feet up at all. So marching is a really great exercise to get in the habit of picking up both your feet and strengthening both of your legs evenly. It is one of my favorite drills with my beginner classes. This next skill, in my opinion, is the most important fundamental beginner skill, and that is a 1 foot glide. You're gonna lift up a foot, glide on your other foot. 1 foot glides are great for learning balance, coordination, control. It also opens up your whole world of tricks. So you might be thinking, what if I'm a brand new beginner? Where do I start with my practice? Start with the duck walk. So you'll take a knee to stand up, push up off your knee, shape of a V. Arms are out in front for balance, and then you're gonna take little baby steps in the V shape. And these should be your first rollerblading steps as a beginner, because this is the fundamentals of actually learning how to rollerblade, learning your basic strides. So as your duck walk gets easier, you can start to push a little bit, extending your step. And as you get more comfortable, you can push longer and stronger. And we are now progressing into basic strides. Your basic strides are that same V shape of your duck walk, longer and stronger until you're skating. Remember, practice is your best teacher. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. One foot glide is the most important fundamental rollerblading beginner skill.